This 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 259 FKDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used coachman is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, stove top burner, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, LP detector, slideout, skylight, DVD player, TV, refrigerator, Colorado detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachman Freedom Express Ultralight 259 FKDS is 6,494 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.